Let me show you guys the three main benefits of a Roth IRA. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have a Roth IRA, I strongly suggest that you create one simply due to the fact that it has so many unique benefits. And here are the three main ones that I want to talk about. The first main benefit is that you get tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Now, as an example, let's say that from the age of 25 through 65, you contribute $400 a month or $4,800 a year to a Roth IRA using after-tax income, because that's what goes into a Roth IRA. Now, if we assume a 7% annual growth rate over those 40 years, you'll have a little over $1.03 million completely tax-free when you retire. So as an example, on the day you retire when you're 65 years old, you could transfer this $1.03 million over to your checking account and you wouldn't owe a penny of taxes on this withdrawal. The second main benefit of a Roth IRA is that your contributions can be withdrawn at any time without early withdrawal penalties or tax penalties. So as an example, let's say you contributed $4,000 a year to your Roth IRA for 10 years for a total of $40,000. Well, you can withdraw this $40,000 because you already paid taxes on this $40,000. Now, in an ideal situation, you wouldn't want to withdraw this $40,000, but life happens, an emergency happens, and with a Roth IRA, I think it's awesome that you can withdraw your contributions at any time without any penalties and without any tax penalties. And the third main benefit of a Roth IRA is that there are no required minimum distributions, also known as RMDs. So when you have a 401k or even a traditional IRA, at the age of 72, the government is going to force you to withdraw some of that money every single year because that money that you put into your 401k and traditional IRA has not been taxed. So in order for Uncle Sam to generate tax revenue, they're going to force you to take RMDs at the age of 72. But with a Roth IRA, you are not subject to RMDs. In fact, you can keep your money growing for as long as you live. You're never forced to take out your money, and you can even potentially pass it on to your heirs. Now, if you're interested in one-on-one financial coaching to learn more about Roth IRAs and how you can implement one, please visit the Stan Store link in my bio and schedule your one-on-one financial coaching call today. Financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.